viflow has an explorer that you can use to make working in viflow faster and more transparent. All objects of the entire viflow process model are displayed here and can be edited, also as a multiple selection. How to open the viflow Explorer. Click on the Explorer button in the View tab. This is then displayed as a tab in the main window. Content, View and Navigation. In the viflow Explorer, all objects of the process model are displayed in 4 standard columns: Name, Folder, Creation Date, and Last Modification. The sorting can be changed by clicking on the title column. By right-clicking on the title bar, you can configure the view and show or hide individual columns. Double-click to open either a folder or a graphic. At the top is a bar in which the navigation path is displayed. Click on the individual elements to call up the content. If you click on the arrow symbol next to the name, a list appears with all the elements subordinate to the object, which can be opened with a click. If you want to go back one level, click on the up arrow in front of the navigation bar. Via the context menu, List, you have various options for how the objects are displayed in the Explorer. Multiple selection of objects. Open the folder or view in which the desired objects are located. Click on the individual elements with the left mouse button while holding down the Control key, or select entire parts of a list by holding down the Shift key and click on the objects limiting the selection. Now click on the selection with the right mouse button to open the context menu and carry out further actions such as copying, cutting, or deleting. Change properties of several objects. Right-click on the selection and select the Properties entry. The Properties window opens and can be used for detailing. Move objects using drag and drop. You can move individual or multiple objects directly from the viflow Explorer to other windows, provided they are compatible with each other. If moving is not possible, a corresponding prohibition sign appears. WeCon wishes you productive process modeling.